titties sitting high, thighs is looking right, belly super size, just move it to the side. Hey, 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 baby, you like my rap?
Ooh, I feel yummy.
Alright y'all, so today I am again installing my wig. So what I'm gonna do is try a new method with a stocking cap. I saw it on TikTok and I really want to try it. Excuse the face again. Like I was in the middle of my makeup and I decided not to do it because the got-to-be will leave a mess. So let's get, oh shit, let's get into it. I already like slicked my edges down to the best of my abilities. They only slick so much. So, and I just got these stockings at Dollar Tree. Just in case I don't like how this look. I'm not about to spend $5 on some stockings I'm about to cut. So you take this part of the leg and you cut it. Oh Lord, where's my scissors? Oh. So then you cut it, and I think she cut it around like right here. Ooh. Right on the foot part. Ooh, okay. This better fit my head. I think I cut it too little. And then keep this, because if you like to go natural and you like to have it pulled up, I like to take this part of the stocking, tie it, and then you can pull it back and it like slicks it real good without your edges being damaged. Oh. Oh, oh no. Oh, oh shit, she lied. She lied. This shit is not working. Okay. My head is not big either. I have a little head. I do too have a little head. Oh my gosh. Oh my. No. Okay. I mean, it's kind of on there. Thought it was gonna like stretch. Okay. But y'all see where I'm going with this, right? It's gonna work. Let me cover my edges. Okay. 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 Got my got-to-be glue. Oh, damn. My edges be trying to peek out. They go to my damn eyebrows sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna take it by section. Try it like that. Oop. Oh my God, I'm making a god doggone mess. Okay, but I think it's working. See, oh gosh. Okay, let me get my blow dryer and I'm gonna try it. Okay. This is the part where we're gonna speed up because I am having errors. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and finally get the wig cap on. it was, or not wig cap, but the stocking cap. And it wasn't that hard. My head is definitely bigger than what I thought it was, but it wasn't that hard. So what I did show, you just put on got to be glue spray. Same thing what you would do with the wig cap. And then see, don't look at the back of my head. Don't look at back. Don't look back there. I usually cut that because it's a wild force. But yeah, and so now I'm about to just use my Ghost Bond. And I don't like using this because I like my char really hot and then it starts turning pink and flake up and it feels nasty. But I don't plan on wearing it that long anyway. So if it does start to come up, I'm going to just take it off anyway. But I'm going to put a little bit of this because I do like that it stays secure. And I don't need this blowing off in the wind somewhere. So I am going to speed it up because I'm not used to doing my hair on camera. And it's going to take me a minute, I'm sure. So I'm going to just speed it up like I do. And get this together. And y'all watch the results, okay? But y'all got to try this method because I don't even think I need to put makeup on. I like it. And it makes it feel flat. It was easy. I guarantee you more people are about to start doing this method because easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I hate how my face look. I'm about to hurry up and do my makeup. But, you know, we cool, we people. So y'all get to see the real me. And the real me don't know how to do no damn makeup or eyebrows. So that's why one is going, never mind. That's not what y'all came here for. I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I did go ahead and get it installed. It has the glue on it. It is not going nowhere. Not going nowhere. Now I'm about to just try to style it and make it look decent. Yeah, I didn't let the glue dry all the way. But other than that, I still like the stocking method. I'm about to try to style it. And I'll be back and then I'm gonna do this face. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, she's about to be acting out. Okay. All right, y'all, and I'm back and I'm done with my hair. Again, I am not a professional, but I learned how to install my wig during quarantine, and I did use the stocking cap method. I love it. No makeup, no powder. And it was real simple, real easy. Like, tried to do some wand curls. Now, let me give you a little bit of specs about this hair. I did get it from West Kiss. Really cute. It's super soft. And I'm going to try to upload my reaction here when I first got the hair. And if it doesn't upload, ignore me pointing my finger in this area. But I'm going to try to upload it. So, okay, that's me uploading it. All right, so I did get it again from West Kiss. This is 20 inches. I didn't think it was really 20 inches. They really pissed me off. Like, I have emails where we had to go back and forth about this hair because the way they have it is that it's 150 density, but they have like little pieces. So like I found like pieces of hair that's like 9 inches as a fuller. Baby, you got the right one because I will email your ass all day to get my money back. And I did. But other than that, hair is super soft. It doesn't really hold a curl too good, but this was the best that I got. I mean, I think it's pretty fine right now. Again, I've been having this hair for over 6 months, so it definitely is built to last. Like, this is their Swiss melt lace, I believe. So super pretty, super soft. It did have a little bit of a smell, like not anything that's like, oh my god, that stinks, but it had like this smell that would give me a headache. Like, I don't know if it's what they put in to make it super soft, but it definitely had like a, what the fuck is that? Like, what is that in your head? Like perfume, but not the kind you wear like your grandmama perfume. I don't know. I didn't like it. So I washed it. I do my deep conditioner where I put it in a bag and put it in the microwave. We're going to get into that later, but yes, that method does work. It keeps it very nice and hydrated, soft, and it got that funky chip smell out. So again, yeah, you saw, I just put the regular ball cap on the back to like really lay it flat. Then I put the stocking cap on. That was a tight squeeze. I got it from Dollar Tree. Saving money, you know, cute girl on a budget. So I got it from Dollar Tree. And you just, honestly, I didn't have to do anything but put the Got2b glue, spray it, blow dry it, as you saw in my video where I sped it up for you guys, and that's literally it. Then I just applied the wig. What else do you might want to know about the hair? Delivery time on the site, it will tell you like you'll get it within 2 to 3 weeks, I believe, but that's not taking into account that they have to actually make the hair. So I definitely didn't get my hair until like a month out. So if you have plans on wanting to use this hair right away, this ain't it. But once it came, they gave me a lot of free goodies. They gave me a cute little headband. And again, if I can upload the video here, it's going to be there, one of these spots. But they gave me a cute headband. They gave the little thing so you can melt the lace, like a little band. It was an adjustable band, but I did pay extra for that, just in case if it wasn't to fit. But this is a small cap and it fits really good, so I didn't even need the adjustable band. That was a waste of $2. Could have went to a cheeseburger, but whatever. What else? That's pretty much it. I would definitely buy their hair again, and I know my husband probably would advise not to because I was definitely complaining about it, but after a while, like, look how pretty it is and how good it lays, and I'm like, hello, bad bitch in the building. You know, like, it just got that flow, and you just whip your hair. But yeah, I definitely love it. It makes me want to get a little bit longer. Again, super easy to apply. I am not anywhere near a professional. I'm not a stylist. I don't know how to do it. I just learned how to apply a wig last year. So if I could do it, you could do it. We could do it together. What else? I really think that's it. I don't want to ramble too much. But again, hairs from West Kiss, super easy, super cute. The whole point of this video was just to show you that you can use the stocking cap to apply your wig, and it's a little better of a look because then you don't have to add that makeup, and you can get it from Dollar Tree. But no, that's it. Thank you once again for tuning on to my show, Yummy Bears. It's your girl, Miss Yummy, and I'm out. See you next time. Streets and tricky.